Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how you can make your basic outfits look cuter and trendier. So yeah. These are basically the outfits that I would normally wear, and I do wear them a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys find it helpful, and let's get started. So starting with a very basic t-shirt and jeans combination, what I like to do to elevate it is to just tuck it in. So I like to tuck the t-shirt inside the jeans. It looks a little more better than just a baggy t-shirt hanging outside. So yeah, I just like to tuck my t-shirt inside the jeans. It looks a little more put together and it just looks better. So another thing that I like to do to make my outfit stand out is to wear cute socks. So this works for literally any outfit. You can wear a basic black outfit and wear your statement socks and everything just looks better instantly. So to bring more attention to the socks, I also like to cuff my pants. This also works for oversized jeans. It just makes the jeans look like they fit you better. You can also try cuffing your t-shirts or your shirts. It just gives your outfit that edgy look. If you're running out of t-shirts to wear, you can also try tucking a dress inside your jeans. I would suggest that you try to tuck a dress that is more body fit. I think it looks really cute and you find two ways to wear the same dress. The next thing that I like to do is to just add a belt to it. So I'm starting with a very basic knee-length dress, and I'm just adding a belt to just elevate the look. Adding the belt also accentuates the shape of your body, and yeah, I think it just looks better this way. If you want, you can also try pulling the top of the dress out and make the length shorter if you want to. It looks really cute and really put together. You could add a belt to literally any outfit and it would automatically look good. Another thing that I like to do is layering my outfits. It just makes it look as if I've put a lot of thought into my outfit. So I'm starting with a basic dress and I just layered it on top of a black high neck. You could do this with literally any dress and it will look really sophisticated. It's a great look for winters, and yep. You could also try this trick if you have a really low cut dress and you don't want to show that much skin. You could also layer a feminine blouse or a sleeveless top over your basic black high neck to just make it look a little extra. I also like to layer a plain t-shirt over my black high neck for a more casual look. It looks really casual and sporty and really chic. Another way to layer your outfits is to just layer a dress over a t-shirt. I think it looks really cute and I really like this outfit. I think it looks very girly and kind of like a casual glam. Last but not the least, I wear this look quite often and I happen to really like it. So I just layered a full sleeve striped tee under a basic t-shirt. This look is very emo girlish and I also did a look on this on my channel. I'll leave the link to it in the description box, so check it out if you haven't. And yeah, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.